Hello guys, so basically this video is for you beginners who have never even touched their eyebrows, and in this video I want to show you how you can do it. So today I will be using this Caroline Best Brow Liner. This is worth 150 pesos and it is available in any Watson stores nationwide. This brow liner is retractable and easy to use. So first, you have to outline your eyebrows using any eyebrow pencil. Start in the middle part and don't start outlining the inner corner of your eyebrows. Shape your eyebrows and draw the shape that you want. So this brow liner comes with a spoolie brush to make your eyebrows more natural. So next, I will use this angled brush to fill in the inner corner of my brows. Make sure that you don't put pressure on. And this time, fill in your eyebrows. Don't put pressure on your hands and keep on blending it. So next, I will use this BYS concealer to conceal all the imperfections. You can use any concealer that you like. Blend, 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 blend. Blending is the key. So I will just finish my final look and I'll be back.